That's what Conversations as a platform truly enables. There are three different actors. There is us humans having these conversations in conversational canvases like Skype or Cortana. There are bots, so pretty much everyone today who's building applications, whether they be mobile apps or desktop apps or websites, will build bots as the new interface, where you have a human dialogue interface versus menus of the past. And Cortana, or an agent, which is a special form of a bot, which knows deeply about you, it knows about your organizational context, and it knows the world. And it then mediates your tasks and your work with all of the services. So as application developers, as IP developers, you will wire your applications as skills into Cortana. You will build bot interfaces. So that's how this Conversations as a platform is going to become a reality. In fact, just this week, we launched Skype bot framework, where there's plenty of B2C activity, banks, retailers building out, especially customer service bots that are getting built. We also have a bot framework that's getting richer, that can of course help build bots that plug into Skype, but not limited to Skype. It can go to Line, it can go to Facebook, any one of those channels where people are communicating. In fact, the bot framework is perhaps the only framework that allows you to be able to plug into all the conversational canvases. To give you a bit of a feel, I just wanted to give you a couple of screenshots to get you thinking about how you would start tapping into this potential. Let's say I'm going in to a meeting. Cortana, because it knows about my organizational context, that means it knows about Office 365 and schedules, automatically wakes up, tells me about the meeting that I'm going to and all the people that I'm meeting, because it can even tap into LinkedIn. It even takes one particular contact and then tells me about that contact and the connection I may have. It can even tap into CRM, because I ask a query about this particular customer I'm meeting and ask it, what's the pipeline look like? And it comes back with the pipeline information coming from the CRM system. I can even, I can even ask it about predictions, and it comes back with the predictions around how these opportunities are likely to close. And then I can even ask what I should do next. And this is a place where, in fact, one of the applications in the apps source today happens to build, using Cortana Intelligence Services, predictions on things that you should do. And so this is a way for anyone who is today operating on data in CRM to be able to plug into a conversational interface. So that's a new way of how computing is accessed. Just like the browser in the past was born on the desktop PC, the web was born on the desktop, these conversational interfaces will be born on the devices you use today as an additional entry point, as an additional experience, but over time will fundamentally revolutionize how computing is experienced by everybody. And so I think that this is something that I would encourage people in the room to start thinking about. Are you building these bot interfaces? Are you plugging in your applications into Cortana?